Hello everyone, my name is Anish Kumawat and I am from Sikar, Rajasthan. Currently, I am pursuing my BTech degree from University of Engineering and Management, Jaipur. Here it is my first capstone project, a primitive motor. In this primitive motor, I have used a cell, a magnet and a coil to rotate the coil through Faraday laws of electromagnetism. It is rotating because the current passing through the coil and the coil is making a field and the magnet attracts the coil, so the coil gets rotate. Here we have the simulated magnetic field. In this part I have simulated the magnetic field around the coil and magnet in software. In this section I have used wire, nuts and bolts. Through nuts and bolts and wire I have created a coil. After making coils, I have placed all coils and bearing, and then I have rotated the motor through buttons with the help of Faraday's law. This section similar to the previous section. In this section, I have replaced the buttons with MOSFET and Arduino to create it automatic. In this section, we have the star and delta winding. Delta windings are used at where we need higher torque, and star windings are used at where we need higher voltage. Through these windings, we run the induction motor and other type of instruments. In this section, I have replaced the MOSFET with relays to run the motor smoothly. Relays are used to allow the safe operation of the equipment. Here is my final capstone project. In this section, I have used self-made PCBs to run the motor. In this section, my both Arduinos are communicating with each other. So when we give input in one Arduino, the second Arduino will implement the command. Here I have the battery management system that will use to manage the battery pack and charging discharging of a battery pack. In this BMS we will change the output according to us, because in this BMS the Arduino had been used to communicate, and through this we will balance the battery voltage and battery current, so they can balance and they give a perfect supply to our circuit. Here I have made the PCBs with different type of components, such as different type of MOSFETs, transistors, different type of resistor and different values of resistor, and with heat sink and some input ports and output ports. Here we have the GUI section where we will measure every single details of batteries, like battery voltage, battery current, temperature of the battery, status of the cell, like it will discharge it either charged, and the status of the battery, like the cell is balanced either the cell is unbalanced. Through this GUI we will measure the charging status, discharging status. Through this GUI, we will also check the transistor temperature, ambient temperature.